So this hair was sent by Nadula. Nadula reached out to me and I said, sure, your girl's on there. Anything for my babe gang.
Enemy a protest, whoa, and him could come the closest.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl Silly Babe. If you're new to my channel, hello. I hope you stay around to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, of course. And if you're a returning sub, please be sure to turn on your notification bell. This hairstyle was inspired by Arrogante Tay, I believe his name is. He's just amazing and his work is phenomenal. So I thought, let me give it a try. Stick around, guys, and let me show you how I got this frontal ponytail. As you can see, I'm bald! To let you know, my hair is actually slicked back, and you'll see in a minute, just to do the ponytail. Applied like makeup, so what you can do is just go around and dab it here. What I have done as well to make it easy for me, I've actually applied a band. I am going to take off the band at the end, so it's just for accuracy, so I can actually see, because I can't see without it. And I'll just quickly show you, because I haven't put on any. I put it like right at the end, so that I can see. Yeah, so this is just to give myself some guidance to know where I should be, where I should start and where I should be. As you can see, I'm going to take my Fit Me Maybelline New York 330. This is my new foundation. I'm testing it out. Wear it on your frontal. Put it back on and double check. So, no, that's fine. So no further dabbing needs to go on. I'm seeing scalp. I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be glued spray, freezing spray, and I'm going to freeze the frontal so that the makeup doesn't come off. I don't mind it staying in the cap because the cap's already stained, but it's so that it doesn't come off. So at a distance, you just go like that. Get my hairdryer, and on cool. When we go in, I'm then going to use a bit of rubbing alcohol, and cotton, and I've got this, which is a scalp protector. So I usually dab that. I usually dab it around my hair. Just to protect your scalp. I think you can purchase it online or whatever. But all the products that I use, I will leave them in the description box. Then I'm going to go in with my Ghost Bond glue. So this has actually gone everywhere because, guys, I've actually ruined the pointy thing in the beginning. So I'm actually going to use my tweezers, which you can use something flat, and just go around the perimeter where you're going to go. What I'm going to do is just let that dry, and then I'm going to apply a second coat. perimeter of the lace frontal. This is how your frontal should look right now. Now I'm going to take off the earlobe. Don't worry about the perimeter because I'm going to sort it out. It is not going to look like this. I do need to take off the excess hair. The frontal, it comes longer than necessary. So where your hairband should be, this is where you're going to cut. So that's why I said don't worry about the hairband. You're going to get rid of it. So if your earlobe is here, okay, and you don't want to be cutting your hair, you want to be cutting the lace. That's why I've parted it. So don't worry about it lifting because I'm going to sort that all out. That's why I said don't worry about the band. You see, that's the band that I'm now taking off. So I'm just going to glue that back down. Okay. I'm just going to lift up that earlobe and tap that down. For it to stay, I'm gonna sew down the back, okay? Don't worry about sewing on the cap, guys, because your hair underneath should actually be slit back, and you're sewing on a cap, so you're not sewing on the perimeter. So it should be looking like this. So this is how everything should be coming along and gathering. I'm just like wiping off the glue, the excess glue. So I'm just going to go in with my razor. I'm just going to use my mousse. So it's my mousse. You can use mousse or you can use gel. I'm just using mousse today because I'm going to set it. These baby hairs look hella long. Okay. But if they are long, you can gauge them. Yeah, so I can see that they're too long for me. I'm going to sort this out because this needs a better brush. As you can see, I've literally wrapped it round and YouTube. So I've done another method and in the bottom and it's wrapping it all the way to the top for the ponytail. So I've still got more to go. I just did a plait underneath with the lace frontal and my actual hair, and I covered it. Just get some tights just to protect your hair, because I started with glue and then I started to use the bobby pins just to hold the ends, and I started to use the bobby pins to go around. So that's my ponytail. It's not finished, so I'm still adding in hair. I'm not sure. I've just used some, gone in with some of my heat protector again. I'll probably be crimping it, but I just want to show you guys. I forgot to tell you guys, I actually wrapped some of the hair to go around to cover the track. Grab the hair, and I'm gonna, I used Got to Be freezing spray to freeze the hair, but I used it and I wrapped it round. Going around like so. I did take some bobby pin and put at the top, just because I wanted it more secure. As I said, I'll probably end up crimping the hair, but that's the ponytail. Using my natural hair and the frontal. So guys, that's how I did the hair. Some of the bits, I don't know if it got cut because my mine just died. Everything just died on me. But that's how I did this hair, this look. For a first timer, I think I did pretty good for my first time. For my little DIY. I probably would have had it a bit higher, if I'm honest. I did it a bit too low, but maybe I might just bring it up a bit and have it a bit higher. I'm not sure yet. I'll see how I feel. Everything that I use is in the description box below. Do check out Nadula hair. As I said, they sent me this frontal. I will be doing a review in with the hair, so you guys know, well, with the frontal, so you guys know how the frontal is. And be sure to like, comment and subscribe to my team. You understand? Stop coming on my video and not subscribe, guys. Subscribe to my team, okay? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for the love and the support I'm getting. I love you all.
Me a protest, whoa, and him could come the closest.